Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special video because this is a kind of a surprise from OnePlus that I have received today. So they have sent me this thing. Let's get started and let's see what's inside. Uh, Sorry for the knife. I'm way too excited to look for a scissor. So let's see what's in here. So what happened is there was a contest that they were running in the forums in the OnePlus community. So I took a part in it, and supposedly I won. So I have been given a OnePlus Explorer Backpack, the new backpack that has recently launched. So let's just open it and see what all is inside. Quite a package. There was some some delivery details. Nice little OnePlus logo. This is also good. The packing is really good. Cloths, everything looks premium. Oh, the smell of the new bag. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. This is good. This is really good. Guys, this is some top-notch material from OnePlus that use. I believe they are using some Cordura fiber, which is a military-grade tear-resistant fiber. So, if you want, I can do the test of this, but that's for another video. So, on the looks of it, the bag looks really, really cool. There's a Cordura branding over here. I'll just show if you can see it. So there's some vents in here, some pockets. Okay, this is the pocket where this water is, and then you can put your umbrellas or like beach clothes here, so it won't get wet. So this is actually a waterproof compartment. You can use this. What's this? Patented magnetic snap pull. Opens with a simple pull. There's some QR code. This is the FitLec technology that the OnePlus is branding these days. Even with gloves, it can be open magnetic self-closing. So let's start. I think we just start. Okay. Oh, that was really easy. Oh, you just need to pull it. Okay. So I'll just come closer. If you can see, this is the tech that they are using. I just pulled it once and it got automatically taken off, and they say it shuts down itself. So let's just test it. Yes, it has locked itself. So now you open it and it's open. That's a cool thing. So now there's a zipper over here. So let's just open this. So what I have seen on the internet and on OnePlus site, that it's a 20 liters bag, and on the looks of it, it looks really good. Like the storage is a lot. So there's a laptop compartment inside this thing, so you can keep your laptop in here. There's a zipper over here. Okay, let me just check all the zippers. Yes, so like if you can see, there's a rubberized texture to the zipper, and there's OnePlus branding to the zipper also, if you can see over here. So the choice of materials is quite, I must say, premium. So inside you have a lot of space. In this thing. So yeah, but the only thing I think is it's a single compartment. So sorry for the interruption. So the only thing I believe is that it's a single compartment. So like if you are kind of a person who carries his clothes along with his laptop or anything else, like there's no different compartments for all those things. So there's this one central compartment. This compartment itself has having your laptop carry bag, and there's some zip inside it. So there's a small pouch for your other stuff. There's another zip over here. So on the outside there's a zip. Okay, so it's like you can only access this zip from this way itself. So it's just nice to keep some other of your stuff. So we have the waterproof compartment over here. Okay, so okay, so this is the strap. So like you can, if you are going for travel and all, so you can put it on the wheels of your suitcase and like you can carry them around. So that is also good. On the sides we have a pocket for your, I believe, water bottle. Uh, Other than that, yeah. So that's it. So it's quite a good bag. The FitLeg technology is good. The choice of materials is really premium. The waterproof compartment also looks good. I believe it's a good backpack, but if you're going to pay, because it retails around 5,000 rupees. So if you're going to pay for it, I think you might not get enough of value for it. But over a course of time, because I believe 2 3 years, it will easily suffice without any damage to it. So I think if in terms of ROI, if you say, then probably it's a good backpack. So I have also got one invite share code, because as much you must be knowing, these backpacks can only be purchased if you are having an invite code. So please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video if you liked it, and I'll randomly choose one winner from you guys, and I'll share the invite code so that you can go and buy the backpack. Fine. Thanks, guys.